Hello everyone, welcome to another Calendly tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to change your time zone on Calendly. Now you can change your time zone in a very simple way on Calendly. And yeah, if you follow this tutorial video, you will understand how to do it. So first of all, you need to select the event type you want to edit from the home page. Then under where can people book this event, scroll down, how do you want to offer your availability for this event type. Here you can select the current time zone at the top of your schedule and search for the one you'd like to change it to. Then all you have to do is select the time zone right here. You can search for the time zone, for example, Eastern time, US and Canada, and then all you have to do is just basically go and connect that time zone. Now, as you can see, you must use custom hours to change the time zone on the event type level, and then you can just change the time zone. But I think already automatically Calendly changes your time zone for you to the time zone that you're in, which for me, it's in Croatia, but for you, it could be Eastern time, maybe Central time, Mountain time. And then as you can see, this is how Calendly handles invitees time zone. So Calendly will auto detect your invitees time zone and adjust the display of your availability accordingly to their time zone. So you don't actually need to go and change the time zone if the Calendly already is basically automatically putting your time zone for you. So that's basically it for this Calendly tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.